Hey there, future trailblazers. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a game changer. I'm Colette, and if I can do it, so can you. But before we unleash the top 5 skills that could revolutionize your 2024, remember this. Haters are gonna hate, but you got to believe in yourself. You're not too young, you're not too old, you're just right to make 2024 your year. Tip 1. Skills for a high return life. Imagine spending your time wisely like a smart investor. In 2024, don't waste it on low return activities. Instead, invest in skills that can skyrocket your life. Every day, aim for that 1% improvement. Compound it into something massive. Tip 2. Ignoring the noise. Before we jump into the skills, let's get your mindset right. Ignore the naysayers and the box people try to put you in. Your journey is yours alone, and you can shape it. Rome wasn't built in a day, but you can start laying the bricks in 2024. Before I share the 5 top skills to accelerate your 2024 best year ever, please hit the subscribe button and share this video. Top 5 skills. Riding the waves. Now let's talk skills. The world is changing and you need to ride those waves. In 2024, here are the 5 top skills you should consider. Number 1, data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Ride the GPT wave. Learn data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. It's not just a trend, it's a game changer. Number 2, programming, with a focus on app development. Apps run the world, and you should be the one crafting the next big thing. Learn programming, dive into Python, then explore Golang and Rust. Number 3, cybersecurity. With the world going digital, cybersecurity is a non-negotiable. Whether it's ethical, hacking, or securing networks, there's a high demand. Number 4, cloud computing. The future is the cloud. Amazon, Google, Microsoft, pick your platform. It's not just a skill, it's the foundation of modern tech. Number 5, blockchain and smart contracts. Forget just cryptocurrency. Explore the power of blockchain and smart contracts and the future of secure, transparent transaction. Now let's talk about foundational skills to master these paths. Number 1, Linux. Master Linux. It's the backbone of everything from hacking tools to cloud servers. Number 2, programming a language. Start with Python. Python is your gateway, but for the long haul, venture into Golang and Rust. Number 3, networking. Even if you're not networking pro, understand the basics. It's the glue holding everything together. Number 4, cloud understanding. The cloud is not just a buzzword, it's a lifestyle. Learn it inside and out. Number 5, virtualization, Docker and Kubernetes. From virtual machine to containers, understand how things run in isolated environments. It's all about choices. Make the effort, learn, and don't be afraid to reinvent yourself. Remember, you can't change the past, but you can shape the future. So what are you going to do for 2024 to change your life? The power is in your hands. Go out and learn and make your 2024 your year of transformation. All right, future experts, that's a wrap. If you found value in this video, smash that like button and let me know in the comments which skills you are diving into for 2024. Stay awesome, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video. And don't forget, keep the mindset and be freelantastic.